What's up, guys? Redneck Official here. Today I am going to use some Seafoam to clear out all the carbon deposits. This is going to go in my air intake, and then this is going to go into the gas tank. I'll show you all how to do all this. It's pretty simple. The only tool you'll need is a screwdriver, flathead. So you want to unscrew this and unscrew this. I showed y'all that in the last video, just to take out the air intake. We're gonna take this out and we're gonna put it into the throttle body. Let me get that started real quick. Alright guys, well I got the little hose insert put in the throttle body. They say you just want like a little bit in there. You don't want the full hose because it comes with this much length. So I cut, so there's about this much right here inside. All you want to do now is whenever you put this in there, you want to have the car idling, and then you want to have it about 500 RPM above idling. So for this car it's about 1500. It takes about 5 minutes for the entire can to empty. You want to spray the entire can to empty, and then once the can is empty, you want to shut off the car and let it hot soak for about 15 minutes. And then it should smoke out of the exhaust. Most of that's going to be because this is an oil-based product, so some of that's going to be oil burning, but also it's going to be carbon deposits. This stuff is supposed to help with the gas mileage and restore some of the power. And then once I empty that entire can in it, I'm going to put this into my tank of gas. My tank is about 19 gallons, and they say put an ounce for every gallon, 16 ounces. So I'm going to just pour the entire can in, and that's going to help the fuel injectors and every other little problem that's with the fuel system. So I'm going to get started. I'm going to have someone hop in my car and have it idling a little bit higher than normal and spray this entire can in. Alright, well there it goes. That's the carbon deposits right there. So we're going to do this for a little bit. Once it calms down a little bit, we'll take it on the road, and then it'll be good to go. This is Seafoam in your vehicle. I'll give y'all an update soon. Peace out, guys.
buddy, if you're betting, I'll be betting on a hell of a time. 'Cause you know we're gonna party like cowboys.